What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am super excited to bring you an incredible project. Before we jump into a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. I do it so we can hang out and get projects like this on your radar. So let's get straight in. So here we are, guys. It is Finblox.com, all right? It's a next generation crypto ecosystem. Accept the cookies to get the full experience. All right, accept them cookies and let's get on with this. Overview of the bot is Finblox, all right, .com. Product, about, learn, blog and support are at the top. You can change the language between English and the rest of them here, and you can log in there, right? All you got to do, click that sign up button if you want to get straight into it, if you've heard of it before. Otherwise, it's really easy. Buy and earn rewards on your crypto by simply holding. So basically, you hold the rewards and you will be rewarded for it. This must be my wallet here because it says, hey, legend. No? Okay. Going on. Some of the backed top tier investors that we have. Okay. Sequoia, Ventura, Dragonfly Capital Coin Fund, Saison Capital, and much, much more, right? You can choose from two different kind of vaults. Steady as she goes, and Bitcoin and friends. All right. So you got the crypto vault and the stable coin vault. The stable coin is designed to help you enjoy standing but consistent yields that come from DeFi lending markets. And the Bitcoin and friends is the vault designed for those who enjoy earning on more volatile assets such as Bitcoin, ETH, Sol, Axie, AVAX, and a lot more. All right, here are the available assets, and you can just click this little button to get the rates. Got USDC at 3%, USDT at 3.3, BUSD at 2, DAI at 3, XIDR at 0.5. One of the best ones is AXS at 60%. That's massive. All right, if you're a big Sol fan, you'd like this, 4.75%. We've even got ApeCoin down here at 2%, Dodger at 4%, and a lot more coming. All right, I don't like the XRPs only at 1.75%. All right, I wanted that a little bit more, but it is what it is. We got Bitcoin hitting it up with the 4%. So you can earn in 3 simple steps. All right, download and sign up for Finblox. All you got to do is hit this download button right here. All right, buy or deposit the crypto and you can start earning. So you don't just have to buy it from them, you can actually deposit from other wallets. All right, really, really cool, and all their links are down below. I'm going to talk a little bit about them though. Now I want to tell you, if you go up to products and click pool party, it's going to talk about a new feature, right? This is a pool to earn, wins prizes every single week. Pool party by Finblox gives you a chance to win prizes every week while earning on your crypto. All you gotta do is click join draw and actually get involved. All right, there's 40,000 SLP to be drawn. Draw starts in 5 days, 9 hours, 20 minutes, and 23 seconds from now. Okay, it's completely free. You don't need to buy tickets. Simply just deposit and join. All right, and wait for the draw. Multiple wins. You can take home more than one prize, and you can withdraw anytime you want. To increase your odds, calculate your chances of winning the party. All you gotta do is just click the day, all right, and then you put in the amount you want, successful referrals, and it'll show your odds on here, 1 to 165. Now, how does it work? Like I said, deposit, join, wait for the draw, and guess what happens if you win? You got to claim them prizes, all right? Don't leave them there. Frequent last question, because you go down here, if I've not explained it well enough, just have a look. What are my odds of winning? You can change them. Do I have to manually enter every draw? Yes, you have to tap it, all right? Have a look at there if you're not fully aware of how to do it, if I've not explained it well enough. More about it then, they're on a mission to democratize wealth building for all, all right? They've got 15,000 plus community members, 100 plus countries served, and 25 plus supported assets. All right, here's the founders. All right, this is Peter Hang and Dimitri Paunin. All right, Peter previously co-founded GoTrade, a zero commission stock trading app backed by Y Combinator, and Dimitri was the chief technology officer at Coins.ph, Southeast Asia's largest cryptocurrency exchange based in the Philippines that amazed over 16 million users. Incredible. Okay, we've already been through some of these already, but more to add on: MSA, Orange DAO, and they're growing a lot. So you can actually see careers that you can get involved with. All right, super, super cool. Guys, one of the coolest parts of this, and always the links are down below, is the Finblox University, right? It's not teaching you how to trade, it's teaching you how to save. Educate yourself on very crypto-related topics. So all you got to do is scroll down. What do you want to learn about? Bitcoin? No problem. Click on Bitcoin. It's going to start teaching you all about Bitcoin, all right? If you go back, you want to start learning the advanced way of trading, all right? You can go down and it'll show you a little bit more advanced in the university. Super, super cool, right? They're not here to just get you to use theirs. They actually want you to use the university and actually learn about this. So guys, if you want to know how to get on the whitelist, right, the link's going to be down below. All you got to do is click on this bit.ly link, all right? If you're interested to join the whitelist, what's going to happen is you're going to click that, put all your information in. I'll show you what it looks like, and this will get you access to the waiting list. All right, you put all this information in here. Once you're on the wait list, you're actually going to be in with a chance of getting on the white list. All right, once you're on the white list, you could take a lot of comfort knowing that their token is ridiculous. All right, really good. So Finblox token, it is a governance utility native to the Finblox ecosystem. It plans to list tokens on the cryptocurrency exchanges. All right, the governance and utility, so it has access to all types of services in the ecosystem, earning bonus rewards as part of the Finblox program, subsidized trading fees, special access to the project's increased odds, crypto credit card membership, that's really cool, tiered loyalty, secret rewards, and available to vote. And with the membership utility, you get the Finblox loyalty reward program, arcade games, membership access, and mission challenge rewards. Now looking at their roadmap, all right, they've got it drawn out pretty nicely here. You can take a picture of that, have a look, but it could just show you as well. So they're currently they've earned passive yields on stable coins and other cryptos such as BTC, ETH, SOL, and easily exchange on cryptocurrency for another without leaving the ecosystem. Currently finishing the web app, all right, full features from the app to be available for any internet browser. Upcoming in the roadmap is Launchpad for new projects, allow users to buy or sell crypto directly to others and spend your crypto at POS systems. And in the future, they don't just look just straight in front of their eyes, they're actually planning ahead. It's a layer 1 protocol enabling the creation of smart contracts for tokens on the Finblox branded blockchain earned by completing missions, and VIP tokens for members only. There it is, guys. We did it. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and stay blessed. I will see you on the next project.